Hey, I'm Roland and we're here at MWC 2026. Welcome back to my channel. Haven't seen you guys in a long time. We're looking at the Nubia Fold, which has been out in Japan for a few months now. And it's basically the cheapest book-style foldable device that is out on the market anywhere, because it's retailing for around €1,000, which converts to, I think, like 1,200 US. But that's after taxes. So this is pretty much very nice and very cheap for the money, for what you get, basically, because you end up with an 8.03-inch foldable screen in the front. The crease is pretty visible, but I think like everybody who uses one of those has told me you get so used to it you won't see it anymore. Screen resolution is 2420 by 2200 pixels. It's also very bright. Under the hood, you get a Snapdragon 8 Elite, so that's last year's flagship SoC, combined with 12 gigabytes of RAM and 256 gigs of flash storage. Other than that, metal casing. You have the front camera on the side here, so that's a pretty good placement actually for a device like this, because you end up with it hiding back there in the front and not being visible, like clogging up the screen in the middle there. So that's actually a pretty good choice in my view. What's interesting is you end up with this taskbar down here, so that's pretty much like on Windows or Linux or macOS if you want, where you can basically just quickly switch between the running apps. I don't know about the like multi-windowing, if this device supports it in many ways, but you have this pop-up start menu kind of thing, or app drawer actually. And yeah, overall, feels pretty nice. And you also get a 6,000 or 6560 milliamp hour battery inside. That's probably split up between the two halves of the device. And yeah, definitely a good size battery, where Samsung can definitely learn a bit regarding battery size on these devices, right? So you have this metal build. It like protrudes on here, around here on the power button. You have the camera cutouts. There's only a gray model out so far, so that's probably one of the ways of Nubia or ZTE keeping the pricing down. You have the dual LED flash up here. Plus, I think that's a laser autofocus system next to the cameras there. And I think the main camera is a 50 megapixel shooter right here. So I'll add that in the description if there is anything wrong about that. I don't know about the other cameras, so I'm thinking this is probably not the most capable macro camera and an ultra wide probably. So that's what they're going to be doing on this, saving money on the camera side there. On the front, you get this pretty decent and very nice looking AMOLED panel that is a 6.53-inch screen. Feels very nice. It also has these rounded corners or rounded sides, so it's easy to slide around and like use the gesture controls on this device. So yeah, overall seems very nice. It's also pretty sturdy in this metal casing. Not very thick, not very thin as well, but for a device that's only €1,000, who am I to complain? So you get the IR blaster up here, there's mics down here, and one of the speakers. The other speaker is at the bottom here, also nano SIM slots, so it's a dual SIM device as well, and the USB-C charging right there. Yeah, overall, pretty nice looking device here on the Nubia Fold. So this is supposed to be launching in Europe towards the end of the year for around €1,000. At least that's what they're saying. And towards the end of the year means around December. So it's probably going to be a year old by then. But if you end up with a pretty nice, cheap device for €1,000 a year later, I think that's pretty much fine, keeping the price down, or at least fighting to keep the price down in the current market conditions. And yeah, let's just have a quick look at the About phone again, so I can tell you what kind of operating system we're running. And I think there we are. So this is Android 15. Let's just hope that Nubia gets their stuff together to keep this kind of updated, and probably deliver maybe an update onto Android 17 by the time this one launches in Europe. So this has been Roland, looking at the Nubia Fold here at MWC 2026, and I'll see you around. Bye bye.